Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Yeah, I'm so sorry, I was on mute. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the first class of Young Pharmacist Program Medical Coding, Regulatory Affairs, and Patent Analysis. And आज की इस क्लास में we are going to have an orientation session के upcoming 1 to 2 months में what you're going to learn, from whom you're going to learn, and what are the career opportunities that you will have with you as a backup once you complete the course. So let us start with the session. All right. And firstly, the program catalog. So there are young pharmacist program, there is a medical coding, medical affairs, grant writing, patent analysis, regulatory science. हर एक का कुछ सेशंस होगी जिससे आपको एक आइडिया आएगा कि आखिर आपका करियर, where do you see yourself in the upcoming years and which job is perfect fit for you. So you can be equipped with these industrial skills. All of the graduates of healthcare professionals are eligible for this opportunity. Whether it's medical coding, where we learn about HCPCS, ICD, CPT coding, right? There's radiology, anesthesia, अलग-अलग codings होती है. Then we have the medical coding के बाद regulatory science, because medical affairs, regulatory affairs, scientific writing, publication writing, medical writing, where you have packaging inserts, आपके publications, articles, आपके dossier documents for the submission of the drugs. So who all can apply? B Farm, M Farm, PharmD, all of these candidates can apply. When you talk about medical affairs, तो medical communication, MSL, call engagement, right? ये अलग अलग roles होते हैं जो आपको medical affairs, and ये सारे eligible होते हैं. Mostly they prefer masters for medical affairs. अगर आपका masters है तो they prefer you. Publication में even if you're a bachelor's and if you know how to do a scientific writing, you are eligible. So that's not an issue at all. पैटेंट एनालिस्ट, यहाँ पे ये बहुत ही अभी पेटेंट एग्जाम का फॉर्म खुला है 2027 का. सो व्हाट आर डिपेंडेंट एंड इंडिपेंडेंट क्लेम्स, हाउ डू यू फाइल अ पैटेंट, व्हाट आर द प्रोसेस, फॉर्म नंबर्स ऑफ पैटेंट, हाउ डू यू राइट अ क्वेरी फॉर अ पेटेंट, हाउ डू यू रिजॉल्व द क्वेरी, एंड प्रोडक्ट पेटेंट क्या होता है, प्रोसेस पेटेंट क्या होता है. Everything will be explained to you in depth by the expert faculties that we have on board, and they will be making sure that you have a complete preparation and a fundamental which is clear. Grant writing, so this is mostly for master student. काफी बार आपको ICMR, DBT, SERB, CSIR है ना, funded projects होते हैं अलग अलग, Act Track हो गया. So how to write a research grant and funding. So why choose us at Payamvora classes? We have expert faculties who are industrialists, SMEs, subject matter experts, CMEs, continuous medical entrepreneurs and educators, PhD holders. The certification that we provide you is ISO 9001 and MSME certified by the Government of India. We also provide you placement supports and referrals, and I'm elated to share that 3 of our students have been already offered the final interview call, and also the access that you will get for the course will be lifetime. So ये जो recorded lectures है आपके पास forever रहेंगे. So कभी भी if you feel to look back and if you have missed out on anything, you can have a glimpse of that. So it will be starting. There are different courses. So firstly, we'll talk about medical, scientific, regulatory and safety writing. So इसमें हमने मॉड्यूल स्ट्रक्चर करे हैं. ये मॉड्यूल्स के हिसाब से आपको पढ़ाया जाएगा कि साइंटिफिक राइटिंग क्या होती है, क्लिनिकल समरीज क्या होती है, मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट्स क्या होती है, इमराड फॉर्मेट यानी कि इंट्रोडक्शन, मेथड, रिजल्ट, डिस्कशन. कभी भी पब्लिकेशन, रिव्यू, रिसर्च लिखोगे, there is an IMRAD format that you follow, and ICMG guidelines for authorship. How do you do a literature review? है ना, market research करना जरूरी है. So there are different types of market research, primary and secondary. Primary, when you yourself move into the field, talk to the professionals, that is a primary market research. Secondary market research मतलब किसी और ने वो करा है, आप उसके reviews कर लो. It's like a bibliometry analysis that you check out the review articles, you check out the opinions. So वो हो गया secondary market research. वैसे ही literature review होता है primary जो आप खुद करते हैं, like research. एंड रिव्यू जो आप किसी और ने बहुत सारी जगहों पे अलग अलग करा है उसको कंपाइल करते हैं और यू कॉलेट द डेटा. लर्निंग अबाउट द डिफरेंट रेफरेंसेस कि आप एक पब्लिकेशन लिखोगे सो व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट रेफरेंसेस, एम्बिग्विटीज दैट नीड्स टू बी अवॉइडेड बिकॉज एम्बिग्विटी लीड्स टू नॉन प्रिसाइज लैंग्वेज. सो मेडिकल राइटिंग हो, मेडिकल कोडिंग हो, कहीं भी हो, राइटिंग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. नॉलेज, टेक्निकल नॉलेज इज इंपॉर्टेंट. So before that, may I know about you all कि आप लोग कहाँ से हैं and what are your qualifications? आदर्श, किमाया, नवजीत, पूजा, रूपा, सुशांता, तरुण, योगेंद्र. What are your qualifications? Are your bachelor's, master's, PhD, or D Farm? Which categories do we all belong from? You can type in the chat box or you can even unmute and answer. So then we will talk about the clinical documents like informed consent form, investigator brochure, clinical study reports, good clinical practices क्या होती है. Then we will talk about regulatory documents like CTD, ECTD, regulatory bodies, dossiers क्या होती है, packaging and labeling inserts क्या होते हैं, and how do you comply with them. Then we have pharmacovigilance and safety writing, where we have the ICSR reports, PSURs, periodic safety update reports. तो कभी भी किसी पेशेंट को adverse drug reaction होता है, if that patient is suffering from any ADR, then we make sure that वो ADRs ठीक हो जाए, और ठीक नहीं भी हो तो उसे एटलीस्ट हम डेटाबेस में नोट डाउन कर ले, so that there is our reports. So any case valid तभी होगा कि कोई रिपोर्टर होगा, कोई पर्सन होगा जो सफर कर रहा है, किससे सफर कर रहा है, ADR, and a suspect कि what could be the medication because of which he is facing that ADR. So क्या हुआ है, किससे हुआ है, किसको हुआ है, किसने देखा है. Answering all these four questions will have a case to be valid, to be known as valid. Right? Risk benefit reports, like एक ही suppose the person is suffering from a throat infection. So it's up to you whether he's supposed to have azithromycin 250 mg, azithromycin 500 mg, or is it supposed to have some tetracyclines? What kind of choice does the patient needs to have? Then we have the medical communication जहाँ पे अलग अलग slide decks बनाने होते हैं, visual aids बनाने होते हैं. You go to different conferences, manuscripts, poster presentation, abstracts बनाने होते हैं. How do you make it and what are the different tools you can use to make it? So this is going to be a part. So we have Dr. Farah and Dr. Amandeep Singh Rawat, the two faculties for your scientific writing, medical writing, and medical affairs. Dr. Farah has more than 7 years of experience. Dr. Aman has more than 4 years of experience, and they will be guiding you. Young Pharmacist program में you're going to decide your future. कि आपको academics में continue करना है, you like to be a teacher, you like to teach, or you want to be a researcher. MBA, are you good in marketing? You have good convention skills. Research, do you wish to grow your network, do more thorough research, or you are an industrial person and working in PV, CR, MSL, for FND, R&D, QA, QC. So it's like a complete package which will help you to identify how to get internships, how to publish papers, how to build your LinkedIn profile and CV, how to choose a career path, what are the different tips and tricks to crack interviews, how to do a research, and how to develop industry ready skills. So what you'll achieve after this 30 days of coaching or mentoring, I would say, not coaching, an interview ready preparation, hopefully a paper which you will publish, review paper, internship or research if you have done your master's project, internship maybe you would secure, and some AI tools which you would have mastered for sure. Why learn from us? So I've trained more than 10,000 students internationally, and 90% is the success outcome that we have. You can check out our testimonials, feedbacks, and reviews. And a lot of a lot of my candidates have published papers. So some common FAQs. Do I need a prior research experience or prior experience? No, you don't. आप सीखने के लिए आए हो. Will you get a certificate? Yes, you will get a ISO and MSME registered certificate upon completion of your project and course. How many hours classes? There will be classes depending till the portion doesn't get over. So there are no fixed number of lectures. That there would be definitely 10 to 15 classes in a month. Medical coding, you have to know about the AHIMA and standardized protocols. What are the different scientific rigor, research methodology, patent analysis? How do you write a research grant? So we have Ms. Dr. Sakil Ahmed, Dr. Ankita Sood, and Mr. Sagar Thakkar as your faculty members. Sagar Thakkar is a certified medical coder. Dr. Sakil is a PhD graduate from Naipur Mohali and a lead associate at WNS. Dr. Ankita is a patent and IP research analyst at Gravy. So they all have a wonderful experience. So you are again going to get an expert support, career ready programs, practical capstones, lifetime access to recordings. कभी भी मन करा दोबारा देख सकते हैं. Flexible learning path है. We will having 12 weeks. We are trying to finish it in 12 weeks, but if we don't, then definitely it will extend to 16 weeks or more. What you will achieve? Master medical coding standards, compliance protocols, scientific rigor, and many more. So the last part is regulatory affairs and medical affairs. Here we have a large market size. You know, why did I mention about this? Because people say that regulatory में job नहीं मिलती, बहुत jobs है. Skill आप में नहीं है, इसीलिए job नहीं मिलती. If you know the answer, then definitely you can get. So these are career outcomes. Who should join? Different modules. And you have medical writing, pharmacovigilance, AI tools. So some are overlapping with the other courses. So you'll have common classes wherever required for the common courses. Like regulatory bodies, या आप medical writing में हो, regulatory affairs में हो, medical coding में हो, regulatory आपको जरूरी है थोड़ा सा regulatory guidelines के बारे में पढ़ना, medical affairs guidelines and all. So you must have an idea about them. So this is an orientation about all the courses that we have for you. Young Pharmacist Program, Medical Affairs and Regulatory Affairs, Publication Writing, Medical Writing, Scientific Writing, Regulatory Writing, Safety Writing, Patent Analyst, Regulatory Science, and many more. I hope that at the end of these 2 months, you are going to learn a lot. You are going to develop new skills, and most important, you would get referrals and capstone projects, which you can showcase in your CV that, yeah, I have got it and I have completed this course successfully. So, do we have any other queries or doubts at our end? Do we wish to ask anything? Do you all want to ask me anything? Koi queries, anything in your mind?